Okay, we're going to go into our work together for section 3. So let's go into chapter 9, end of lesson 9.3. Go to our working papers and let's take a look at work together. So when you get to work together 9-3, number 1, it says total the purchase journal. It says the October purchase journal for Golden Fabrics have been journalized, total the purchases. Normally when you get to this page, if you were doing it manually like we did Rico Sanchez, you would draw the single line under your amount column. The date on here is the 31st. The account credited would be, this is our total. We don't have to put anything in the purchase number or the post reference. Then we would go through, we would add up the three numbers and we come up with $4,650. And then when we were done with that, if we were doing it manually, we would double rule. Okay, going on to step 2, which is called Post to Accounts Payable Ledger. We're going to take the 3 items that we have credited to our vendors and we are going to post it to their accounts. So our first one is Pacific Supply. So we're going to go to Pacific Supply down there and then we'll go through the steps required for posting. Okay, so the first thing is to record the date. We'll see it was October 2nd, so we'll put the 2 there. Item, we do not need to put anything there since we are posting. Our post references comes from Purchase Journal, page 10, and since we are going to have 5 different journals, we have to specify which journal it comes from. So it's going to be P10. You will notice we're in the Accounts Payable Ledger. So therefore, if you look at your amount column up there, it says Purchase Debit Accounts Payable Credit. So therefore, we are going to credit that amount to Pacific Supply. So we're going to go to our credit, and the amount is $3,252. It already has a credit balance, so we are going to post a credit. So therefore, we will add those two together. And if you add those two numbers together, we'll come up with $4,177. And notice now there are cents and 65 cents. Okay, we're going to take that 230, which is the account number for Pacific Supplies, and we will put it in our post reference to show where we had posted that amount to and that our posting is complete. The next one goes to Coastal Company. So we're going to go to our Coastal Company account. The date is the 7th. Post reference is from Purchase Journal, page 10. Again, it's an accounts payable credit, so we're going to put 532 there. We have a balance already there, so we will add those two together, a credit plus a credit. When we take those two numbers, we add them together, we come up with $2,230.88. Oops, I forgot the decimal. And the last step is to go up into our post reference and write 210. Our third one goes to Yateman Designs. The date is the 11th. Post reference is Purchase Journal, page 10. The credit is for $866. We add those two numbers together and we come up with $1,743. Last step is to go back up here and put 250 up there. Again, now we have posted the individual amounts to our accounts payable ledger. Okay, going on to the third step is posting to the general ledger. It says post the column totals to the purchase journal post the column totals of the purchase journal to the general ledger. Okay, so we're going to take the amounts that are in our purchase columns of the totals, and we're going to post it. So the first one, it says purchase debit. So we're going to go to our purchases account. Okay, the date is the 31st. Post reference is from P10. It is a debit of $4,650. We already have a debit there, so we will add those two numbers together and we come up with $94,128.25. We will go up here, we will write the account number 5110 up there. The second one is to go to our accounts payable. The date is the 31st. It's from Purchase Journal, page 10. It is an accounts payable credit of $4,650. We will add it to the previous credit, and we come up with a balance of $10,783.53. The last step is to go back up here and write our account number.